I'm going to show you how to change the air filter in your Honda Element. This is one of the easiest things you can do to help make your engine run better and prolong its life. The filter is in this housing here. So, unlike a lot of cars, you do need a small number of tools to get it out. You can either use a hex, outer hex, or an inner Phillips. Although technically, since it's a Japanese car, you should use a JIS, but we're not going to get into that. Hang on, let me get there we go. It's an 8mm. I always go for the hardest one first. That one's on there pretty good. So you're going to get the extension and the adapter. Force multiplier there on the ratchet tool. I don't know why that's on there like a gorilla put it on. There's no need for that to be so tight. It's a little rusty, maybe that contributes, but still. There's no reason for that to be that tight. Now you don't want to lose that little bolt. And I don't know if it's captive. Oh, so it finally came loose. So let's pull that out. Okay, it is captive, so you don't have to worry about losing it. Now they're all going to be tight. We'll just break them all loose first. So we're just gonna loosen up these, pull them off, because we just want to be able to move this assembly and pull the old filter out. So here's the new filter we're putting in, STP SA9493. This is a 2005 Element. It's the same filter that goes in the CR-V of the same year. And I think one or two of the other 4-cylinder engines that Honda made that year. So you can see here's the old filter. It's so did we 100% need to replace it? No, but it's been a year, about 10,000 miles, and I like to replace them once a year. So they've changed the branding a little bit. There's the old branding, just says STP SA9493, and here you've got a logo, manufacture date, made in China, and the model number SA9493. Now the filter itself is more or less idiot proof. There's the same raised lip on either end, so you really can't put it in wrong. I'm going to put it in so that I can see the branding and the model number in case the next time I pull it out there's a question. And it just fits right down in that housing, sits on the lip, sits on its lip, and then you just need to make sure that it stays where it's supposed to be as you put that back into place. So you're gonna pop this off, make sure that, oh, that's the problem. The bolt broke. So that's fantastic. So that is a captive nut, captive bolt, and I broke it. Well, that's what happens when things are rusty and gorillas assemble them. So I'm going to put the other 3 on the way they're supposed to be on, and make a note in my log that that is broken. Also keep an eye out for any performance changes, and as soon as I get a chance, I'll drill that out, clean it up, and put a new cap on it. Once more around the horn. And there you got it. As you can see, that only required 1 tool, 8mm hex,